Welcome to the crypto nest. Alright, so I did quite of a mess. Okay, so today I was trying to figure out, is there another account that would make all that a more sense? So this allegedly a 1-2. I did tell you I didn't like this third wave because it's not that deep. I didn't like the fourth wave because it's too deep. I know I'm being picky today, or with this chart. So then I was okay. So this could be a 1-2, and maybe this is just the 1-2 of the third wave. This is the third. This possibly the fourth, and now we're doing the fifth. Problem is, yeah, I mean this is just crazy. So, well, first of all, this would be a 1, this would be an a messy B, and somehow this a C to complete the wave 2. And then this it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5. Okay, so let's go and check this scenario now. Okay, so I zoom in. Seriously. Okay, let's zoom in. So if that was a possible, so we said a wave 1, a wave 2, and so all that is a third wave, and actually that work. Okay, so just want to make the nano counting. 1, 2, I could put it here, but doesn't matter. 3, 4, and now we're doing the 5. Okay, but that it would be, this could be only the third wave here, and then now I would start to like it. But then the problem with that is that after that we're going to have a fourth wave still coming. Are we going to get it? And so if we do this fifth wave, which technically we already done, because let me get fifth wave, should be lower. Okay, otherwise, okay, so let's recap. So we have a 1, 2 here. Let me take the, okay, so we have another 1, 2 for this third wave, which is going to go like so. And let me put it in yellow. Actually, I should put it in, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, it's we said 1, 2, this is the third, and within this third we have a messy 1 and a 2, and then we do nano counting now, and this is the 1, 2, this is a 3, this is the 4, and doing the 5 now. So that would end the third wave of the third wave. I mean, I know it starts to be a little bit complicated. That's why I try to not go too deep. To make it short though, there is also a possibility that indeed this is the third wave, this is still the fourth, and this is just the final fifth one. So how can we know? Well, it's going to depend on the next retracement, and price will let us know. Now the important thing is, did we manage to have a fifth wave in yellow? We did, because it's lower than the third wave, so mission accomplished. Can you go a little bit lower? Yes, that's why I really think maybe we're going to reach the 81,000. Could it be possible? 81,000, man, that's a lot. I know, that's crazy, right? I'm saying that those numbers, but then if this is it could be just the third wave, then it's crazy, right? Because the more bearish, well, the less bullish for short term would be that this is just the 1, 2, and for the third wave this is the 1, 2, well, actually 1, 2, and third wave completed, more likely 3, and then 4 and 5, and this is going to complete just the third wave, and then we're going to have a fourth and a fifth, and this is how we can reach really lower level price. Now, to be fair, do I believe we're going to go at 74,000? Yeah, no, I don't think so. I think 80,000 is still on the map. Below that, I mean, anything can happen. And let's remember, if it goes below 0.618, then alarms are going to trigger. You know, maybe indeed that was the top of this cycle. Do I believe that? Absolutely not. My wallet don't agree, and yeah, my mortgage also payment don't want to. Okay, so now let's be serious a little bit. I didn't want to do that. Let's bring some indicators now. I want to go on the daily. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit. You can see that now we are stepping in oversold territory, and finally we are there. Stock RSI as well. So 8 hours oversold. Daily oversold. 12 hours very deeply oversold. 8 hours. Do I need to continue? I mean, this is just, yeah, it's just great. So let's remember, I don't know how many times. Is it 9 times out of 10? Some people, they say 10 out of 10. I don't know. But to be honest, when they do those kind of stats, do they take in consideration the Fibonacci levels and price action? Because it can be oversold, can be oversold, but then if you're still near the top, but now here we are after a crazy third wave. We have an A, a B, and a C. We are reaching finally Fibonacci levels for a fourth wave. We are near the MA 200. In a worst case scenario, we do have the 0.5, and we still have so much room. How low Bitcoin can go? I know this is not a challenge. I am not challenging Bitcoin. You can, I believe in you, but I know you can be very volatile. But I believe now we should be soon ready for a recovery, because the RSIs are saying, yo, dude, it's been a long time, man. It's time to change the direction. For sure, the weekly, we're not there yet, but you can see that here the stock RSI, it is, at least it's a sign. But if I focus more on the daily, how many times he has been oversold, but in a position that he had to do something in life because he was near a wave 2 or a wave 4. Okay, so let's see here. We had a potential wave 1, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we did an A, a B, and a C. Okay, so now let's start and check here. So we started to be very deep. Actually, let me enlarge a little bit. Okay, we start to be oversold. I mean, so let's recap. We did kind of 5-wave up. We did an A, a B, and a C. We were oversold on the RSI. We were oversold on the stock RSI, and it went, yeah, okay, it didn't skyrocket right away, but it was kind of a good time to accumulate. Now let's go back here. So we were at the top. We had an A, we had a B, we had a C. There was a chance, a strong chance, because we did hit the 0.382 and we had 3 waves down. Let me enlarge again. We had the stock RSI oversold and the RSI just tipped to be oversold. Was it a good time to buy? The chart say yes. So now I only did since 2023. Can we go even before that? Well, I'll let you do your own homework, right? And if you want to go and check, maybe, you know, share with us what are the, what, you know, since the beginning, how many times that happened. But we need to be honest. It has to be including, you know, a moment where we were having a correction and it did meet the criteria for the completion of the pullback within the Fibonacci retracement. And I do believe that the result will be highly successful if we combine those instruments. Alright, so this is pretty much all. I wanted to do a short video and somehow we are over 10 minutes. But sometimes it's important, and you know, I'm not financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on internet, and I'm not telling you what to do, but what did I just show you? Well, probability are very high that, you know, I'm not saying now, I'm not saying today, maybe 1 week, maybe in 2 months, we can go and check back and see what day are we. Was it the February 26th a good time to buy Bitcoin? I say yes. And I'm going to put a note. And as you can, as you know, if you follow me for a while, when I'm wrong, I say it. When I'm right, yeah, I say it as well. But it's funny when you're right, especially with your girlfriend. Okay, we're getting out of subject. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.